At midnight, I found an old typewriter on my doorstep, a note taped to the keys. Whatever you type will happen. I tried a test. Typed, "A red car crashes at dawn." By sunrise, sirens wailed outside. The rule was clear: never write a crime. But curiosity clawed at me. I typed, "A masked thief robs the bank at noon." Minutes later, the news flashed the exact heist. My hands shook. Then I noticed. Each page bore my name as the author. The final twist? It wasn't predicting crimes. It was assigning them. I'm not just the witness. I'm the culprit.